Guess what I realized? I wear dad jeans and I'm a BMW dad. And I don't give a hoot nanny. Stay tuned. Let's figure out what I'm talking about. Well, recently I ran into a very popular moto vlogger who lives also here in Texas. I won't reveal his name, but I'm sure you can figure it out. Who dunks, who bags, who absolutely destroys BMWs. This individual on his channel just seemed to hate BMWs, and I met this individual, had a relatively good conversation with it, to which he said, well, I don't like BMWs, because they're for BMW dads. And I'm like, well, I own a BMW. And he said to me, are you a dad? And I'm like, yeah. He goes, well, there you go. And there's plenty of things on his channel to describe why he dislikes BMWs. But let me tell you a little bit about being a BMW dad. First of all, I am one. I have two BMWs, a GTL K1600 at a 2020 model, and I have a 2021 full carbon fiber S1000 XR. And personally, I love both motorcycles. And I do have a color-matched jacket for my S1000 XR. I have a color-matched helmet for the S1000 XR. I went out on my way and put full carbon package on it to make it the M package because I think it's cool. And so therefore, that and owning a GTL make me the stereotypical BMW dad. Now, I think that often that's used as an insult, but I'm going to take it as a compliment because every one of you riders out there hopes that in a moment of unfortunate emergency or breakdown or roadside service needs, you hope, you pray that a BMW dad is either in your group or right around the corner. Because we carry extra gas, we carry tire repair kits, we carry first aid kits, and I'm going to do a shout out here. I don't like to do that, but DanDan The Fireman, I love his channel. I actually bought one of his trauma kits, so I have a DanDan The Fireman trauma kit. I have snacks. And sometimes, if you're lucky, I'll have juice boxes or orange slices. So what makes me a BMW dad? All of those things. I am the guy who is going to be prepared on the journey. I'm going to be over-prepared. I'm going to be the guy that's in full AGAT. I wear a helmet. I wear a jacket with armor. I wear pants with armor. I wear boots with armor. I wear gloves with armor. I travel with a Senna. I travel with, extra cash. I do all the things that you guys out there in the, I guess, under 35 crowd or make fun of those of us who run prepared. I have run out there with the sport bike crews who I enjoy. There's a couple of them here in the DFW area that I've gone on a couple of weekend Saturday afternoon runs with, and they're loads of fun to watch these guys zip around and to learn something from them. And so there are the things about BMW dads that everyone loves to make fun of until you need to have a BMW dad around to help you repair your bike, to give you extra fuel, to patch you up if you make a boo-boo. And so there you have it. What are dad jeans? I was recently seeing another YouTuber talk about the bike is dad jeans. Dad jeans. I'm guessing that it's comfortable and it fits well. I'm not really sure what dad jeans are. Maybe you can help me out with that because I wear Levi's, and I'm not sure that Levi's advertises on their commercial, buy us wear dad jeans. But how many 23-year-olds out there are dads and ride BMWs or ride Yamahas or Triumphs, right? Or used $1,300 Honda Goldwings in their dad jeans. So if you want to poke fun at those of us who are in our dad jeans or are AKA BMW dads, there are mirrors to look into and examine those things. I'm sure most of it is tongue-in-cheek, as this is meant to be tongue-in-cheek, but don't give us old men who come prepared to the party a hard time because we may not slow down too quickly. We may just kind of giggle if you're over there trying to repair your tire. Though if you are injured, I will stop immediately and help you out. So, in conclusion, the dad gene wearing BMW Dad from Texas Small Town Rides will always be there to help and take care of those of you who make fun of us, because when you hit 36, you will be a BMW dad. See you soon.